Actually, a lot of students who watch this are like people aspiring to do this course. They will be giving qualifier exams soon. So,
Okay.
what tips do you have for them and how difficult is it?
So qualifier exam is basically the first quiz that you will have offline at these CBT centers. So you will have the first 4 weeks of content in the four subjects, that is English one, computational thinking, maths one, and statistics one. So the first 4 weeks are not that tough, and what I would suggest is to just go through the lectures properly with your focus and complete the assignments that are given to you. That should be more than enough to get you a good score in your qualifier exam. So I don't think you should try to go beyond that. Therefore, if you're not able to understand anything from the lectures, you can refer to the same topics on YouTube as well. But you don't need to go beyond the syllabus of the first 4 weeks. So I think the lectures of the first 4 weeks, the graded assignments, and the activity questions, these three things are good enough to get you a great score in qualifier exam.
And the difficulty shouldn't be high. You've given JEE mains, so relative to that.
No, it's not high. Like it's lesser than JEE mains. It's not as difficult as JEE. It's just that you have to give your focus to the first 4 weeks of content and then you are done. It's
Yeah.
easy.
Yeah.
It's given your hard work, you will be able to ace.
Relative to JEE mains, it's very easy.
It's easy.
Any notes for the qualifier students who are aspiring to do this course or the new students? Any tips? What you want to share?
So the tip is that if you are looking forward to join the course, you should be ready to give in some sort of hard work, because ultimately if you are not going to work hard after enrolling in the course, there are 28,000 other people who across all the levels of the course, so you will just be one of them. If you want to be someone who actually completes the degree, you have to start from the day one and make sure that whatever you're learning is clear in your mind and you're not doing it just for the sake of completing the course. And I think, yeah, it's a good decision if you're opting for the course. So for the people who are doing it with another degree, you can take lesser courses in a term, and it's quite flexible. So I think you should not face any major problems in managing it with your another degree. For people who are doing it standalone, I would still suggest them to take it on that pace, because for them CGPA matters a lot for the placements and internships. So do it in a way that you maintain your CGPA and you have good knowledge of the courses that you're doing, so that the opportunities like TA ship can be open for you. So yeah, that is what I would suggest for the people who are looking forward to this course.
One recurring question with people doing another degree is that के exams की dates clash कर गई तो क्या?
I don't think exam की dates clash usually करती होगी, because IITM की हर exam Sunday पे ही होती है, like on Sundays. So if their college is such that they conduct exams on Sunday, then they might have problems. But mostly colleges do not have exams on Sundays. So in that way, it's not that problematic. But हाँ, एक चीज में problem हो सकती है कि if they are giving an external exam like maybe a competitive exam, तो उसकी dates Sunday पे हो सकती है. तो in that way, it can be a problem. So if the quiz 1 or quiz 2 is clashing with some exam, then it's fine. You can give any one of quiz 1 and quiz 2 according to your availability. But end term is important. You cannot miss the end term exam.
And end term cannot be rescheduled, right?
And it cannot be rescheduled. Yeah, that is the thing. Or else if you don't give end term, what you can do is you have to take the course to the next term, and then us course ke end term आप next term में दे सकते हो. So that is that can be done if you have 2 exams on the same day. You can give the end term of the course the next term.
Got it.
Yeah, that can be done.
Got it. So this way that can be managed. So it's a basic disclaimer to the students. If you are interested in data science, then only pursue this course. नहीं तो self-motivating yourself can be an issue because the course is intense.
It's intensive, yes.
And
Yes.
people who haven't yet checked out Bhargavi files, please do. She makes really amazing content about business case studies, marketing, and tech stuff, as she mentioned.